everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Well, I'm happy 84 to my current and new subscriber. Thank you all so much for subscribing to my channel, and to the ones that's just dropping by my channel on today, thank you all so much. Hope everyone is having a great day so far. So this is the bag that I'm in, my city bucket bag. But before I get into the contents of this bag, I would like to show you all something. Okay, so do you all see this bag right here? So let me just turn the bag so you all can get a real look at this bag. So excuse the light if the light is bouncing off this bag, because I do have my ring light on. So yeah, so you all, let's get into this bag. Let's see what I have inside this bag. Okay, so this is the Coach Gold spray right here. So let's open this spray. Okay, so this is the spray in that gold ball. So it do have the C on it. It smells wonderful, you all. Okay, so let's see what else I have. So I do have the Coach Gold lotion. Okay, so let's get into the content of this bag. So this is how I have my bag on the outside. I will just turn my bag so you all can get a real good look. Okay, so on this side, I do have a bow charm in that leopard print also with a gold heart. And I just place a bag charm on the front of the bag. So this is how my bag is looking in the inside, you all. So she is stuffed. Okay, so the first thing I have is my keychains. So on my keychains, I have my AirPod Pros, I have my hand sanitizer, I also have my whistle, and I place this bear on here that I purchased when I was in Las Vegas. So the next thing I have is my 15 plus phone case, and I absolutely love this phone case right here, you all. This is a beautiful phone case. The next thing I have is this pouch right here, and I have my lip gloss in the inside. So I have my 2L lip gloss. I also have some chapstick. So that is what I had in the inside of here. Okay, so next thing I have is my shades. Can't forget about the shades, you all. Summertime. So these are my Michael Kors shades. So the next thing I have is this wristlet pouch right here in that leopard print. So inside of here, I just have some tissue. And I have some stain wipes remover. So I have some wet ones, I have some alcohol pads, some hand wipes, and some stain wipes remover. So that is everything that I have in here. The next thing I have is my slim card case, where I just place all of my cards in the inside of here. So the next thing I have is this black mesh pouch. So in the inside of here, I have my oil control roll, compact mirror, manicure set. So that is everything that I had in the inside of here. I will just place everything back. Next thing I have is my notebook. I also have my pen case and my pen. The next thing I have is my wristlet corner pouch. So I'm using this pouch for my lady pouch. Okay, so the next thing I have is my full size wallet and that leopard print also. And I just have my credit cards in the inside of here. I don't have anything in the mailer compartment. Love that sound. Okay, so the next thing I have is my cosmetic bag right here, and it also have my initial E. So I'm using this bag for a catch-all. So in the inside of here, I have my Faithful Lysol, my body spray Into the Night, hand sanitizer Into the Night. I also have my Into the Night hand cream, eye cream, lip scrub, some more hand cream in that vanilla butter cream, eye drops, sunscreen protector, deodorant, brush spray. I have some more lip gloss, Tide to Go pen, and I have some tweezers, first aid portable pack, German X hand wipes, Clorox to Go pack. So that is everything that I had in my cosmetic bag, and I will just place everything back in the inside. Okay, so that is everything that I had right here. So in this back zipper part, the Coach book, and I have my phone stand. So that is everything that I had in the inside of my bag. I will just pour my bag so you all can get another real good look at her. So yes, this is a lovely bag. So I will just place everything back in the front so you all can see everything that I had in the inside of my bag. So this is everything that I had in the inside of my bag. So if you all enjoyed this video on today, please give me a like, give me a share. Make sure you subscribe to Woman Habit 84. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you all will know every time I upload a video.